Hi friends, I am Error Slayer and today I will show you how to hide and show Windows search bar on PC or laptop. Let's get started quickly. The first thing you need to do is right-click on an empty space in the taskbar. Next, hover your mouse cursor over search and select hidden from the new window that opens. As you can see, the search bar is no longer visible. If you want to make it visible again, simply follow the same steps and select Show Search Box from the window that opens. The search box is back. If the search box is too large and distracting, you can still select Show Search icon by following the same steps. It's both more convenient and less distracting. Of course, the final choice is yours. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to hide and show Windows search bar on PC or laptop has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.